The following video will walk you through the basic steps for drafting a request for exemption from arbitration. This is usually step 2 in the litigation process. As I discussed before, regarding the rules for the first page for any legal document, there's another video number 1. Please check that. Okay, so this is a basic shell for a request for exemption. There are many reasons why a request for exemption must be filed. Some of those reasons are here in these items 1 through 3. And these are for my state, so check your state for your rules. And step number 1 is going to be to calendar the deadline to file the request for exemption. You don't want to miss that deadline. Step number 2, give a summary of the facts. You can usually find those in the complaint that you drafted. So restate a summary of the facts here of how, if it's an accident, how it occurred and the parties involved. Number 3, make a summary of plaintiff's treatment. Try and make it as detailed as possible and include any treatment plaintiff has had, emphasizing important diagnostic imaging, surgeries, future treatment recommendations, ongoing treatment, and symptoms. Okay, so make a good summary. It would also help you in the future when drafting other documents. So if you make a good first summary of plaintiff's treatment, that'll help you a lot. And number 5, include a table or a list of the damages or a computation of damages, outlining the medical specials or expenses, whatever expenses you're claiming. Number 6, you must email this to your supervising attorney for review, and then finalize it, file it, and serve it by the deadline. Okay, and then the text under conclusion, this is basic language for this document in my county and state. So check your county and state rules for this. Number 8, once the request for exemption is granted, usually you will calendar an early case conference after that. For me, it's 14 days in my state. So next is going to be the early case conference. Okay, thank you for watching. Please click the link below for additional videos and templates, or if you have any questions that you want to ask. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.